over 60 and noticing your muscles shrinking or strength fading. You're not alone. But the good news is, you can fight back, naturally. Today, we're revealing 5 powerful fruits that help rebuild muscles and combat muscle atrophy after 60. Let's dive in. Fruit 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are one of the best fruits for muscle health, especially for people over 60. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 main causes of muscle breakdown as we age. They also support mitochondrial function, which is important because mitochondria produce the energy your muscles need to move and recover. As you age, your mitochondria naturally weaken, so eating foods like blueberries helps keep them strong and active. Fruit 2. Bananas. Bananas are excellent for maintaining muscle health, especially after age 60. They're rich in potassium, a key mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramps, something many older adults struggle with. Bananas also provide natural carbohydrates, which give your body quick energy after physical activity. This helps with muscle recovery and replenishes glycogen stores, your muscles' fuel. Plus, they contain vitamin B6, which supports protein metabolism, important for building and repairing muscle tissue. Fruit 3. Kiwi. Kiwi is a nutrient-packed fruit that supports muscle health in several important ways, especially for those over 60. It's extremely high in vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen, a protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Kiwi also contains a natural enzyme called actinitin, which helps break down proteins in your digestive system. This makes it easier for your body to absorb and use the protein from the foods you eat, crucial for maintaining muscle mass as you age. On top of that, kiwi offers fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, all of which support overall health and recovery. Fruit 4. Tart cherries. Tart cherries are a powerful fruit for muscle recovery and protection, especially in older adults. They're rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after exercise or physical activity. One of their standout benefits is that they also contain natural melatonin, a hormone that improves sleep quality. Good sleep is essential for muscle repair, especially after age 60 when muscle recovery tends to slow down. Tart cherries have even been studied in athletes and older adults, showing that they can help reduce muscle damage and improve strength over time. In short, tart cherries reduce inflammation, ease soreness, and promote better sleep, all key to maintaining strong, healthy muscles as you age. Fruit 5. Mango is not just delicious. It's also packed with nutrients that support muscle health, especially as we age. It's rich in vitamins A and E, which help reduce inflammation and support cell repair, both important for preventing muscle breakdown. Mango also contains enzymes like amylase, which help the body digest carbohydrates and improve nutrient absorption. This is helpful for older adults, as digestion can slow down with age. Better digestion means your body can more effectively use the protein and nutrients needed to rebuild and maintain muscle. Plus, mangoes provide natural sugars and fiber, making them a great source of quick energy for post-exercise recovery. In short, mango supports muscle repair, reduces inflammation, and helps your body absorb the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Did we miss your favorite muscle-friendly fruit? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next health tip. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay active, and stay healthy.